Are you moving to Nashville and looking for new construction homes? Today we're looking at an absolutely beautiful home in West Mead, which is in Davidson County, west side of town. You're gonna absolutely love this 4-bedroom, 5.5 bath, over 6,000 square foot home, listed at $3.5 million. Absolutely beautiful. We're gonna check it out right now. Let's go. All right, I'm out front of a beautiful home today. And if this is the first time to my channel, I'm Scott Hardesty, your Nashville real estate consultant. And if you like our content, subscribe, hit the notification, hit the bell, all that fun stuff, so you can stay ahead of what's happening here in Nashville. But today, you're gonna love this home, this new construction home here behind me. Let's check it out here. Give you some of the details. So you're in West Mead, right off of 40 West. And also you could take Charlotte Pike down all the way into downtown. So you're not that far. 40 West is actually one of my favorite interstates right now as far as how busy it is and how traffic is. But like I said, 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, almost 6,100 square feet. This is just beautiful. The luxury and sophistication of this home. You're gonna love the appliances, the Wolf appliances, the 2 bonus rooms. Stay to the end and don't miss the last bonus room upstairs. It is absolutely beautiful. The wood beams up there you are gonna love. But you have the huge fireplace inside the living room. You have a fireplace in the covered porch in the back. Just absolutely gorgeous. 2 laundry rooms. This one has a 4-car garage, so plenty of parking. You're on over an acre lot, and I can't wait for you to see the inside of this beautiful home. I hope you enjoyed the tour of that incredible home. Comment below and let me know what your favorite parts of this house are. I think for me, I can't decide between that primary owner's suite with that huge bathroom and closet, and then the tub right in the middle of the showers. That was incredible. The 2 bonus rooms upstairs are also unique and just a really, could be a really cool space once you get it furnished. So, you know, and then you have that fireplace, that huge fireplace in the living room, the fireplace outside in that porch area. I love it all, and I hope you do too. Let me know what you think about it. And again, as much as we love making these videos, we love even more helping people transition from wherever they are in the world right here to Nashville, Tennessee. And so schedule a call with me, Zoom, email, text. I'll respond personally to you. Would love to hear from you. You know, we're out here every single week looking at unique homes, custom homes, figuring out what builders are doing, what designers are doing. And so, you know, just know that we're out here working for you. It means a lot to us that we hear from you and that you call us and reach out to us. So until next time, I'll see you on That Nashville Life. Later.